We have a new offer just for you.
Cashback!
From the 1st of February for 6 months, you can take part in our fantastic cashback incentive.
If you increase your average run rate to the agreed target,
you'll get cashback on all of your FTTC sales and your upgrades too.
but it's not all about cashback.
We're also introducing new rates for FTTC.
And more competitive rates means better cost savings for you.
So whether you're selling to new customers or existing customers,
Everyone's a winner!
But to take advantage of this new fantastic cashback offer,
And to earn up to £40 cashback for every eligible order.
You need to sign up.
So don't forget to contact your account manager today.
The longer you leave it, the less time you'll have to hit your targets and earn that sweet cashback.
terms and conditions apply. So speak to your account manager or register at